Eggs are a familiar ingredient, but if you only boil or fry them all the time, it can get boring, especially when you need something quick and tasty. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple tips to help you turn eggs into more interesting dishes. The ingredients are easy to find, the methods are quick and simple, and anyone can succeed on their first try. Eggs are also rich in protein and nutrients, which are great for your health, helping your whole family have a more energizing and balanced meal. Let's get started. Tip 1. Add a little cooking oil and coat the pan evenly to prevent sticking. Place the tortilla in the bottom of the pan so that it lies flat and hugs the surface of the pan. Crack 4 eggs directly onto the tortilla. Season with a pinch of salt and ground pepper. Use a fork to gently spread the egg whites and yolks so that they cover the entire surface of the tortilla. Eggs are rich in protein and vitamins, which help you feel full longer, are good for children's development, and maintain energy for the whole family. Dice the tomatoes and spread them evenly over the eggs. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins A and C and antioxidants, which are good for the immune system and cardiovascular health of older adults. Finely chopped scallions enhance the aroma of the dish. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next comes coriander. Finally, sprinkle 80 grams of shredded cheese to cover the surface. Cheese provides calcium for bones and teeth, suitable for growing children and older adults who need nutritional supplements. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to low, and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the eggs are cooked, the cheese is melted, and the edges of the tortilla are slightly crispy. Tip 2. Place the pan on the stove. Turn the heat to medium to warm it slowly, then add a little olive oil and tilt the pan to coat the bottom evenly to prevent sticking. Crack an egg into a small bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt and whisk well to combine the egg white and yolk. Whisking the egg beforehand helps the egg layer spread thinly, smoothly, and cook evenly when poured into the pan. Then place the first tortilla directly on top of the egg layer, pressing gently so that the tortilla sticks to the egg. Next, prepare 4 sausages and slice them thinly. Arrange evenly on the tortilla. Grate the cheese into thin strands so that it melts faster when cooked, evenly coats the ingredients, and adds richness to the dish. Next, place another layer of tortilla. For the tomatoes, wash them, remove the stems, and slice them thinly to retain moisture and add a mild sourness that balances the richness of the cheese, while also keeping the filling soft and preventing it from drying out during prolonged pan frying. Add another layer of tortilla. Evenly distribute the sausage slices over the tortilla surface. Continue layering in order. Thinly sliced tomatoes. Sprinkle a layer of shredded cheese. Then place another tortilla on top and press gently to stick. Repeat with a layer of sausage, sprinkle more cheese, and cover with another tortilla. Continue layering in this manner until you have used all 5 tortillas, creating a multi-layered cake that is firm, straight, and easy to shape when flipping in the pan. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon basil. Stir the mixture well, then pour it on top. Spread the mixture evenly across the surface. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to low, and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the eggs are cooked, the cheese is melted, and the edges of the tortilla are slightly crispy. Tortillas provide carbohydrates that help replenish energy, suitable for the whole family's breakfast. Tip 3. Place the pan on the stove and heat over medium heat. Add a little olive oil and a small piece of butter. When the butter becomes fragrant, place a tortilla on the bottom of the pan so that it lies flat and hugs the surface of the pan. Crack 5 eggs into a bowl. Then slowly pour them over the tortilla. ½ teaspoon of pepper. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then sprinkle with parsley or other herbs of your choice. Place the second tortilla on top, cover, and cook for about 5 minutes until the eggs set and stick to the tortilla. Prepare 1 tomato, sliced thinly. When the eggs are set, open the lid and gently flip the tortilla over. Add sliced tomatoes and green onions on top. Finally, sprinkle cheese on top and close the lid. Add bell peppers and close the lid. The result is a multi-layered tortilla with soft eggs inside, rich cheese, and a layer of fresh, crisp greens, perfect for a light breakfast or lunch that is easy to digest and provides balanced nutrition for the whole family. All 3 tips above are very simple, but can make familiar eggs more interesting and nutritious for the whole family. Which one is your favorite? Or do you have any other creative ways to prepare eggs that you'd like to share with everyone? Leave a comment below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends so they don't miss out on more great tips. Have a delicious day and stay energized. Thank you, and see you next time.